Alright, I'm going to show you a couple of easy ways to turn the flashlight on or off on your Motorola phone. And there's actually a pretty cool hidden gesture you can use to trigger the flashlight on your phone. So you can pick up your phone and simply do a quick little chop gesture on it. Doesn't matter if the phone is locked or unlocked, just two quick chops like you're cutting onions, and it'll turn the flashlight on and off. Do it once to turn it on, and if you want the light off, just repeat the same thing. Another way to do this would be on your lock screen. So a lot of times on your lock screen, you'll have this kind of little button here for the flashlight. So you can just tap and hold that, and the flashlight will turn on. Tap and hold again, and it will turn off. If you don't have that button, you can go to your lock screen and then press and hold an empty space on the lock screen and choose Customize Lock Screen. Then on the bottom, you will see a little icon there either representing which feature is currently there, or if there's nothing currently assigned to that corner, you can just tap that and then choose from the buttons or the shortcuts what you want to add. I already have my flashlight in the other corner, so I could add something like the camera app to the other corner. And now when I go back, every time I'm on my lock screen, I can just long press one of these buttons to trigger that specific feature. One more way to do this would be through the quick settings. So once the phone is unlocked, swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the quick settings, and depending on the settings you have selected, sometimes you need to swipe down again to reveal the full panel of your quick settings. Then you would simply find the little flashlight icon and tap that to turn the flashlight either on or off. And that is how you use the flashlight on your Motorola phone. If this guide helped you, please let me know, but clicking that like button below the video, it helps my channel a ton. Thanks all, until next time.